What's going on, guys? It's Colton with Honest. Just wanted to bring y'all along on a duct cleaning job. We're in here right now cleaning 20 years worth of dust and particles and just build up on the duct work. We wanted to bring you guys along for the ride and show you how it's all done. Come on. So on any and all jobs that we do, we are going to bring out our own rugs, make sure we have something to wipe our feet on. We're also going to have shoe covers ready so we can respect your home. Come on inside. So the #1 killer of air conditioners is dust and dirt, especially as it pertains to premature failures and reduced efficiency. So the benefits of doing what we're doing right now, cleaning ductwork, is we're allowing the system to operate at its peak efficiency. We're removing any and all buildup that's inside the ductwork, as well as on that coil and on that blower wheel. Texas A&M did a study a few years back that 1/12 of an inch of buildup of dust on a blower wheel reduces the system's capacity, or reduces the system's efficiency rather, by 16%. So the benefits are going to be pretty amazing. It's going to save you energy, your unit's going to run more efficiently, and you're also not going to be breathing dust and particle buildups that have been sitting in your ductwork for 20+ years. Why would you call us? Well, it's because we are going to do the job right from the get-go. We're going to deodorize the duct, we're going to sanitize the duct, we're going to make sure that all the dust that is accessible is going to be removed, and we're going to back it up with a 3-year guarantee that it's going to stay clean. The average cost of ductwork in Flower Mountain, Texas is going to be about 50 cents per square foot of the home. The beautiful thing about that, though, is that it's going to, when you're dealing with a reputable business such as ourselves, that's going to encompass everything. That's going to be deodorizing, sanitizing, and actually physically cleaning the duct and each individual grill. That price is going to be all inclusive for that. So with your average home being 1,500 square feet, 1,600 square feet, somewhere in there, you're going to be looking at about $750 to get this job done. And it's recommended that you do this every 5 to 8 years. So yeah, that's the average cost that you can expect for duct cleaning in our area.